Today I'm going to do a review on the Plano Edge 3700 series tackle boxes. I have a couple of them. I have 5 actually. I got new tackle boxes here a couple of weeks ago and decided to reorganize everything, and this is what I ended up with. Now, these are really nice. I do like them. Do everything I need to do to get this little water wick thing in here. Allows you to keep the water out of it. They are completely watertight. As you can see, they have one-handed latch. So you just grab it, flip her over, and you're open. Just like that. Now the only downside to this is that whenever you close these, you will see that one side will latch and the other side doesn't. You just got to be really careful with that. It's not a deal breaker, but it definitely can be a problem if you don't get them latched right. Not only that, but whenever you take and put these in your tackle bag, you could be grabbing this out and you're like, oh, I'm just going to grab one of these and pull. Oh, there's just lures everywhere. And then it's just terrible hard to get them back closed again. But again, not a deal breaker if you're careful about it. We also have this nice little edge thing right here. I can see a lure fell out, which I'm assuming is probably going to be for something in the future that Plano makes to put these in. Hopefully it's better than a bag, because they don't work very good in my bag. Anyway, so this is the Terminal Tackle Edition. And same scenario, it just comes with these little boxes inside, and this is all my hooks right here. You can see how obsessive I am about making sure everything is labeled. And again, same single-handled open. And you can see each little box opens up, so you have access to it. So nothing really gets mixed. Everything stays in its compartments just the way it should. Not having hooks all over the place and a mess. It does work. It works well. So here's one of the thicker versions. This one's considerably thicker than the other ones. Now I find that if you use like 3 of the thinner or 4 of the thinner ones and 1 of the thicker ones in a standard bag that'll hold 4 standard 4 3700 series boxes, you can get 5 of these in a box. So a little bit more tackle, a little bit more room, better organization. Again, there's the water wick thing, and it protects all your lures from rust and water inside. Completely waterproof. Now, let me look. I have the sinkers. Oh, and this one right here. Now this box is very heavy. So you can see it's not going anywhere. But I want to show you what the sinker looks like, or the little sinker boxes look like inside. So this here is for like bullet weights. Or I mean, you can pretty much put anything in it, but whenever you open it up here, it has little soft silicone in there so that you can put your bullet weights in line. And it has a label on it so you can write on it. Everything has stuff to put labels on, which it's a really nice feature. Let me get this closed here. And so I have labeled all the ones on my edge of all my boxes, so I know what everything is. But again, very good tackle system. The latch, it's not a deal breaker, but it could become a problem if you're not paying attention to what you're doing with your tackle and what you have in your boxes. But instead of worrying about what's going on in your boxes, and you should be out on the creek catching some fish, not watching this crap. So you guys have a great evening. Thanks for watching. Show me some love by hitting that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your notifications.